Hello traders, this is part 2 of the continuation of Forex trading using the Oracle Expert Advisor. The setting I use is called High Risk, High Return. In 2 weeks of trading, the profit obtained was up to 103% with an average daily profit of $100. I've already shared this EA for free. You can check the link in the video description. The setting I use is like this. I increase the lot size to 1 lot per transaction and use martingale. And I set my daily target at 80. I started trading on April 17, 2023 with a capital of $1,000. And currently, the total balance is $20,2604 USD. The biggest loss was $161 USD, while the average profit was $100. If you like this video, please support this channel by clicking the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, you can also ask in the video comment section. For more details, I will switch to my Mobile 5 account. The biggest drawdown that occurred during these 2 weeks was 50.7%, and the profit obtained was 103%. This is a dangerous setting. I use this setting just to blow up the account, and when it reaches 100% profit or approaches 100%, I will stop trading and use a safer setting. This setting is not recommended for the long term. If there is a trend that is so long, I think this will result in a margin call. Please use a demo account first until you are confident to use this setting. Information on growth. I started trading in April, and the profit obtained has exceeded 100%. Risk information. The drawdown of more than 50% when nominalized in USD is $840.32 USD. Trading history information. I only run trading in the USD gold market. Statistical information. The total trades that occurred during these 2 weeks were only 38 transactions, with an average trading time of 17 minutes. The total trading per week ranges from 24 transactions with a profit factor of 1.92. The profit ratio is 57.89%. If you are interested in using this expert advisor, you can visit the qtrade-e.com website and get this expert advisor for free. Use a broker with low spreads and ultra-low latency VPS. You can register with a broker with low spreads from the link I provided in the video description. For VPS, you can try it for free. The registration link for VPS is also already provided in the video description. There are some tips for trading Forex using expert advisors. First, test the EA on a demo account first. Before using it on a real trading account, make sure to test the EA on a demo account first to see how it performs. Second, review the performance of the EA regularly. EAs can experience periods of poor performance, so it is necessary to review the performance of the EA regularly and adjust the trading strategy if necessary. Okay, I think that's enough for the discussion video on Forex trading using the High Risk, High Return Expert Advisor setting. Thank you for watching until the end.